Hello guys, welcome to this Tech Talk videos. In this video, we are going to cover what is test plan in software testing and what is the importance of test plan in software testing. So this is Srinivas from MeritPros. So today we are going to cover what is test plan, what test plan contains, who can create a test plan and who can access the test plan, and the different types of test plans in software testing, and what are the risks that we can face when there is no test plan. Guys, please click on subscribe button to never miss our videos and to get more updates from our channel. Please like and comment our videos so that it really motivates me to make some more amazing videos. Okay, now what is test plan? Test plan is a reference document which guides to test a product with quality, which means a test plan will provide information like what is the product that we are going to test, when we are going to test that product, and how we are going to test that product, and who is going to test that product, and also some other information of that particular product like what is the product and what are the testing activities that we are going to take care on this product. So these all information will be provided in this test plan. Yeah. So what test plan contains? So exactly a test plan contains the introduction, which means like it will give the information about the product that we are going to test and the scope of the test, which means the feature, like the important features that we need to test and the features which we no need to test. So these kind of activities will be listed under this scope of test, and the approach that we are going to follow, like whether we are following a waterfall model or like agile or V model. So the kind of approach that we are going to follow, so those information will provide under approach session. So like apart from this, test team allocation, like in our, so the total number of people that are present in this testing team and how we are going to test, like so those information will be present under this test team allocation. The same way, test tools that are required. So what are all the tools and technologies that we are using to test this particular product will be mentioned in this segment. Same way, environmental setup for the test execution. So whether we are depending on any other kind of configuration activities, those all information will be present here. Schedule and estimation on deliverables. This is the important thing. So that the client which they are expecting their deliverables, so those all important dates like when we are going to deliver our product and when we are going to start and like what is our estimated deliverables, those all information will be present in this scheduled and estimation on deliverable segment. Risk. So risk in the sense, what are the kind of risks that we can face, or like if we follow this way, what are the kind of risks that we will get. So these information will be present in the risk key. Yeah, apart from this, approvals. So does we need any approvals, and what are the approvals that we got from our client side or like a stakeholder side, those all information will be there in this approval segment. Roles and responsibilities. For each member in the team will have certain roles and responsibilities that they need to follow to achieve this particular testing activities. So those all will be present under roles and responsibilities, and we have some other inputs regarding the product, those all things. So those all miscellaneous activities or miscellaneous inputs will be present in this other inputs. So the who creates and who can access this test plan. So basically test plan will be created by different people ranging from test manager, lead and senior tester. So like the release test plan will be done by test manager. Same way, feature level test plan will be done by test lead, and for specific testing activities will be done by senior tester. So that depends on the organization. So like so based on the situation or based on the thing, the particular user will come and try to prepare their test plan. And who can access this test plan? So the testing team can access this test plan, developing team as well as project leader, final user and other important users can able to access this test plan. So coming to types of test plan. So we have like 3 different types of test plan in our software testing. So coming to our first thing is like master test plan. So master test plan, which implies the super test plan of all other test plans, which indicates like like what exactly master test plan contains is like how the testing is being planned and how it will be managed across different test levels. If we get more deeper into this, what I can say, for example, there will be certain kind of test level activities that we need to do, for regression, for smoke testing. These all things will be done for particular release. So these all different level specific will be listed out and will be provided under a master test plan. So coming to next type, level specific. The name itself, it is saying like level test plan, which explains that each and every testing activities that must be performed for each and every level. So basically, as I told, some listed level specific test plans will be present in master plan, right? So for each and every level specific will be in detailed, will be provided in this level specific type of test plan. Coming to type specific test plan. So type specific, the name itself is saying like type specific. So basically test plans for specific types like performance and security testing. So these kind of information, we will create a test plan for this type of testing activities. So coming to our last topic, like what are the risks when there is no test plans? So when there is no test plan in a software testing, what kind of risk that we can face? So there might be misunderstanding about team member duties, like they had certain rules and responsibilities. We don't have proper test plan on that, so there might be like misunderstanding of the thing, like what kind of activities that a member can do. So like there is no proper guidance. Yeah. So testing may misuse mandatory feature to cover and may waste time with testing unwanted feature. For example, for a product, what client expected is to like the testing team more concentratedly have to test on that particular feature. But if we don't have proper plan or proper test plan, there might be chance of testing that like missing that mandatory feature, and there might be chance of wasting some time on testing some other feature which was not needed. So those kind of risk may occur. Yeah. So team cannot have proper deadline for when to deliver the product. So the client will expect by this time, like by this date, the delivery. Like from testing team, we can get the sign off. But if we don't have proper plan, or if we don't have proper schedule or deliverables, then there might be chance of getting a risk, these kind of issues may get. Yeah. So team will not have some clear test objective, which means like if they don't know the product, like how the product is behaving, what kind of domain or what kind of product that is, the team cannot judge like what kind of environment, or the team says how we the plan. So the entire plan itself, it may get disturbed. So by this, what I can say is like test plan will play a major role in software testing. Yeah, that's all about what is meant by test plan and its importance for software testing. Hope the cover topic will help you in understanding what is meant by test plan and importance of test plan. If you have any questions regarding this test plan, please mention that in comment section so that I can reply to that. So thanks for watching this video. Please click on like button so that it really motivates me to make some more amazing and some more very good videos. So see you in next video, guys.